Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. These are my favorite videos to make, obviously, so I'm really excited to share with you guys another piece that I decided to pick up from Louis Vuitton. This, I will say, is not a new piece in terms of release dates. I did purchase it new from the boutique, of course, as you can see, but it's not a new release. So while this is not a new release, I had my eye on this for quite some time. This particular item has had amazing reviews and seems to be super practical, so I had to go ahead and snatch it up. I'm excited to unbox it with you guys here today, so if you want to check out the item that I picked up most recently from Louis Vuitton, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of reselling, and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning for yet another video. Alright, so I do a fair amount of unboxings on this channel, nowhere near as much as a lot of the luxury YouTubers by any means, but I've had a pretty good few years in terms of purchases. I don't sell as nearly as many bags as I should. In fact, I really haven't sold any luxury bags ever. I just am amassing this collection, but I just love picking out new items, and I really do enjoy using these pieces on a day-to-day basis as well. So with this item, as I said in the brief intro, this is not a new release. I did purchase it brand new from the store just recently, but it's not a new release. And you know, in some ways that's a little atypical for me. I think in terms of my luxury collection, I have a lot of the classic pieces already because I've been collecting for years, such that if I'm making new purchases, oftentimes they are new releases because I don't have those particular fabrications or styles yet. So while this isn't a brand new release, it is a pretty new release at least. So I'm excited to share with you guys what this is. It got pretty amazing reviews and seems to be so practical. So let me just unbox it and then I'll tell you a little bit more about why I decided to go for it. So let me just remove the bag here. Okay, and this is a true unboxing. I have not opened it up. I did see this in the store, but that was the last time I looked at it. As much as possible, I love trying to save true unboxings to do on this channel. Alright, so here's the box. And let me take out the piece here. Okay. So here it is in its dust bag. Let me know, comment below, what do you think this is? It's not a brand new release, but it's a pretty recent release, I will say. A very practical bag, one that was very popular when it first came out. Those are your clues. So let me know. In terms of more specifics, I will also give a clue that this bag was released about 2 years ago. Pause the video. I'll take a quick pause here. Just curious, what do you think this is? It's a little bit of a mystery, I know, because it's definitely not a new bag. All right, so let me go ahead and reveal to you what I decided to go for. Here is a little preview. It's Monogram. You can see the beautiful chain here. So let me go ahead and share with you guys this gorgeous new bag. No doubt you have seen this bag. This is the beautiful Louis Vuitton Passy bag, and I think when it first came out it was also referred to as the nude chain bag as well. So this bag was released about 2 years ago, but they're still quite popular, and it's relatively easy to get now online and in boutiques, but when it first came out I know it was super hard to get your hands on this. So excited that I finally was able to add this particular beautiful bag to my collection. There are so many beautiful features to this bag, which I will share with you up close. Really quick though, why I had my eye on this bag was when I was actually at a theme park, ironically, recently, I did notice that I believe 2 people, ironically, during that day had this bag. And they were wearing it crossbody. The weather wasn't perfect, so it's nice that this is pretty durable in terms of inclement weather as well. But I just love the look. I thought it was a very good size. It's a medium-sized bag that you could wear both crossbody and a shoulder strap. Plus, it's a very versatile day to night bag as well, as I will show you. So that's really what kind of got me to go for this bag, is I had seen a couple of people that same day wearing this bag. So I said, all right, I gotta check it out. And as per usual, I watched basically every YouTube video out there about this bag. This was really popular and hyped up when it first released, I know. I just sat on it and didn't pick it up then. But over the past couple years, people continue to rave about this bag, I would say in general, how versatile it is, how functional it is. And those are the things I look for in luxury handbags. So I had to give it a try. Let me show you guys up close some of the details of this beautiful bag. Okay, so here's the beautiful Passy, or a new chain bag, up close. I obviously still have the stickers on, which I'll remove off camera later just for the sake of time. But one of the distinctive features of this bag is this beautiful enameled black LV logo here. It also has monogram canvas, as you can see here, and this beautiful black leather piping as well. And on the back, one of the major selling features too is this really great slip pocket where you can fit your phone. So I tried this out in store. I have one of the larger phones. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, so the larger size. And it comfortably just slips back here, no problem. So that's where I'm gonna keep my phone. It's a super versatile, easy grab and go type of pocket. Love, love, love these big bag pockets. Can't say enough about them. And then in terms of the front, you'll see that this is a magnetic closure, and it's a very strong magnet, as you can probably hear. There is no turn lock, but there is a magnetic closure, as you can see here. And look at that pop of color. The suede type of interior is so gorgeous, and I really, really love this pop of color. Inside, it's very functional. So let me just pull out the little tags here in case you're curious about the SKU tag. Here it is, Passy MM. Let me just pull out the rest of the chain here, which I will show you up close in a second. The interior is super functional, as you can see. There's one slip pocket here, and my large 13 Pro Max iPhone fits in this pocket as well. There also is a very large interior pocket here, which you can fit so much. Mini pochette easily fits in this middle pocket. And then there is this really nice zippered compartment, but behind that there's also a slip compartment, a little hidden pocket, which you can slip a card holder into. And then this gorgeous buttery zipper in the back here. And there are a couple more SKU tags. So it has the Passy new model monogram tag again. And then there is the materials tag, coated fabric, the synthetic textile interior, and the trim is leather. So as you can see, there is a ton of organization in this bag. You have this pocket, a slip pocket, and then a zipper pocket, in addition to the awesome exterior pocket. So that's why I think people rave about how functional this bag is. Let me show you some details of the strap. So as you can see, this is a gorgeous gold tone strap that's a chain, and it has this really nice section, a very long section of black leather as well, so it can comfortably sit on your shoulder. Okay, so one of the main reasons why I went for this bag is I have recently been obsessed with chain bags. I love my YSL chain bags, in addition to obviously Chanel, which is the classic chain bag maker, I will say. But I think it just adds so much class and beauty to a handbag. So with this bag, you can wear it different ways. So one is to double it up like this, like a lot of my Chanel bags I like to do it with, and also the YSL bags, and just wear it as a gorgeous chain shoulder bag. And this is where it hits when you do that. Again, I'm about 5'4" in height for your reference. And this is just a gorgeous look. I think it's versatile day to night, because I think you can carry this as a nighttime going out bag, because it's black with gold chain. You can wear it on your shoulder like this. I think it works super, super well. You can also do a long shoulder drop as well. So you can see here, it hits me right about the top of my hip bone. So that's an option. But how I probably will carry it most is crossbody, and this is how I saw a lot of people carrying it. Again, I'm relatively petite, 5'4", so it hits me at my perfect length crossbody, as you can see here, right at the top of my hip bone. For people who are taller, you know, it might be a little bit short for you because this chain strap is not adjustable or removable. But for me, it's perfect. And this bag is relatively carefree because there's no vachetta. It's canvas with just a little bit of leather. So I just love that about this bag. It's really honestly going to be one of my most versatile. I think it looks a lot like the Pochette Métis in terms of style, but I think they're very different bags, very different looks. This is a little smaller in size and also more dressy as well in my opinion. But I will do a formal review comparing my Pochette Métis with this bag because I think a lot of people draw comparisons between these two. Alright guys, so that was my quick unboxing of my beautiful new Passy chain bag. And when I was in the store, the other bag I was thinking of was that beautiful new model, the Speedy Nano. I think that bag is so adorable. I wanted to get either that or this, but really that Speedy Nano will not hold my larger iPhone. And I recently picked up the Micro Métis, as you've probably seen me unbox in this video. That does not obviously hold my cell phone. It's a lot smaller even than the Speedy Nano. But although that bag is super cute, I don't really use it much because it's not functional. So I had to resist the Speedy Nano, but I did have my eye on that as well. And one of these days I may consider adding it, but it does not fit the larger iPhones, just so you know. This one comfortably does, and a lot more, so I decided to go for this particular model. Let me know down below what you think about this bag. I know it's not for everybody, it's a little bit flashy, but for me, I think it's one of my perfect types of bags that I go for. It's very functional and practical, versatile, day to night bag. But let me know what you guys think. If you own it as well, let me know, does this work for you? What do you think about this in terms of some of the other bags in your collection? Thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing. As per usual, I will do formal reviews of this bag in addition to comparisons with some of my other bags as well. So stay tuned for those videos. Thank you so much for your support of my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.